Hi guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to grill a chicken breast. So I've marinated it in a little bit of paprika, garlic, thyme, rosemary, salt, pepper, lemon juice, a little bit of olive oil, and I've put a little bit of spices in it, a little touch of Cajun. So that's what I've marinated it in. As you can see, the chicken looks lovely. So I'm going to show you how to do this step process. So we've not put much oil on it. You want to put as least little oil as possible on the chicken, and then we're going to pop it on the grill, seal it off, char it a little bit so it gets them little char marks on it, and then we're going to probe it to check that it's cooked properly, and then we're obviously going to serve it. I'm going to serve it with a little bit of rice and a little bit of stir-fried vegetables. You can serve it with whatever you like. Chicken breast, and now I'm about to put it on the grill. So you can hear that sizzling. And again, just place it on the grill. It's got a little bit of oil on. I'm just going to put a little bit of salt on and a touch of black pepper, and then we're going to let it seal. Turned it over and it's got a little bit of marks and charring, as you can see. Just got check the other side and we'll turn it back. We'll put salt and pepper on it. We're just going to leave it on the grill, but we're also going to temperature probe it just to make sure that it gets up to temperature. So we're going to temperature probe it. It's not up to temperature yet, but we're going to check it every so often, just make sure it gets up to temperature. And as you can see, it's caramelizing lovely.